Hey, check me out. I know this is not a political channel, but I want to talk about how to get rich while Trump is in office. Even if you're broke right now, you need to watch this whole video because I'm going to lay out the whole blueprint. So let's get right into it. So the very first thing that you need to do is start with your mind. Life is a mind game. Remember that. You know, as they say, as a man thinketh, so is he. And that's facts, bro. I'm going to just draw a little box right here. And we're going to put an M for mine. Look, I know it might sound a little crazy, a little corny, but every night before you go to sleep, I just want you to start visualizing yourself becoming successful, becoming rich. Like, what would that look like for you? What kind of car would you drive? What kind of crib would you buy? Like, what would your life look like if you had a couple M's in the bank right now? You got to start visualizing that. So I'm going to just draw a little arrow. And we're going to put V for visualize. Just start visualizing what would your life look like if you were rich right now. You feel me? Another thing I want you to do is write down some goals. So I put G for goals. Write down some goals and don't just BS it either. Like, write down some goals that you would actually want to accomplish for yourself. Not just something that sounds cool or you think that your friends and family might fuck with. But not only do I want you to write them down, I want you to look at them every single day. Because that be the thing sometimes. Like, we'll write down our goals and then a month later, 2 months later, we forget that we even wrote them. Next, I'm going to put a D for be delusional. I know it might sound a little crazy, but look, in your mind, you got to have no doubt that you're going to be successful. Like, it doesn't matter what your current situation is. In your mind, you got to believe that you're going to be successful. And when you start believing that and moving like that, shit just going to start falling into place. That's exactly why I started with mindset first, because even if you do everything else right on this list, if your mind is not right, you'll lose it all. Especially with Trump in office, there's a lot of chaos going on and a lot of negativity, so it'll be easy to get caught up in all of that. The next step to get rich while Trump is in office is to master Instagram pages and YouTube automation channels. So I'm going to just put G plus YT. Now, I keep telling y'all about this in every video because people don't realize how powerful these are. You got to realize we are the new media. Just think about it for a second. Where do you go to check the news or get some information? Chances are you go to Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. And the best thing about it is you don't need any money to start. All you need is your phone and Wi-Fi to start you an Instagram theme page. What you're going to do is you're going to start you an Instagram theme page first. You're going to build that up, start monetizing it with digital products and everything like that. And then you're going to take that money and invest it into a YouTube automation channel. That's exactly the blueprint that I follow when it comes to this. And in my last video, I'll walk you through that step by step. I ain't gonna get into too much of that in this video, but check me out. If you master Instagram and YouTube, you'll make a killing and you'll have a high income skill that will pay you years to come, no matter who's in office. And this is exactly what I be doing to make money. Like, I know sometimes y'all see where I go ghost and I don't upload for months or shit, a year on this channel sometimes. I be running these Instagram pages and YouTube channels in the background. Yo, real quick, I just wanted to show you exactly what we were able to do for one of my clients. So we took this page over February 9th, right? And here's the insights on it. You can see it had 53,000 followers and it was gaining about 1,000 followers a day. So nothing too crazy. And then the views on it, it had 363,000 views. And you could see the account reach was down by like 60%. So we had a lot of work to do with this page. It really had no motion. But in just 2 months, I took these screenshots April 9th. It had 108,000 followers on it. It gained 25,000 followers in the last 30 days. So that's about 1,000 followers a day. And we got it up to 12.5 million views in the last 30 days and reached 7 million accounts. Man, you could see the difference. We went from 200,000 to 7 mil. 300,000, 12.5 mil, 50,000, 108,000 in just 2 months worth of work. He was one of them guys where he just wanted me to come in and take over his page. He didn't want to do any of the posting. He didn't want to come up with any ideas or nothing. We did all of the work for him, and you could see the results. So look, everything I be teaching y'all in these videos, they work. I'm telling you, I be doing this myself on my own pages, and now I'm doing this for other people as well. So make sure that you actually apply what I be teaching in these videos. It ain't gonna happen overnight, but you gotta put in that work. And I'm telling you, you'll see the results. But now that we got the Instagram theme page up, we're using that traffic to drive them to the YouTube automation channel. So if y'all want to see the progress of that channel and us scaling it to $10,000 a month, let me know in the comment section below. We're still just getting started, so y'all pretty much get to see the whole process from the beginning. We got a couple videos up, but we're still just getting started. What I need for you to do is drop a like and then comment YouTube automation if you want to see that, and I'll make it happen. And if you want to work with me one-on-one to help you build your Instagram theme page or a YouTube automation channel, click the link in the description below. Shit, for real, I don't even think I got time to add on somebody new right now, because I actually got a couple clients that I'm locked in with, and we actually do everything for them. So we do the thumbnails, the editing, like we take over the whole process, and you just make passive income. So if that's something that you're interested in, you can apply down below, and I'll reach out to you in the future if you're a good fit. But for those that want to get started with Instagram theme pages right now, I put together a 21-day digital cash flow challenge, teaching you exactly how to turn your Instagram page into an asset. And I'll leave that in the description as well. But once you master this, I'm telling you, you'll have some cash flow coming in every single day. And what you want to do is you want to take that money and invest it. So I'm going to put I for invest. And there's a couple of things that you want to invest in. So one would be gold. You want to buy fear-driven assets. So gold. Another one would be another G for guns. And then I'm going to draw a box right here. I'm going to put C for crypto. So we got gold, guns, and crypto. Those are the big three right there. Gold, guns, and crypto. Gold, you know what I'm saying? Y'all already know the deal with gold. Gold always gonna hold its value. You can go anywhere in the world and your gold will still have value. Next, we got guns. Just think about the things people are concerned the most about right now. One of the main ones is their safety, right? People are always gonna be buying guns to protect themselves. So guns will always be a good investment, especially if you know what you're doing. You gotta know what you're doing. You gotta know what to look for and some rare guns to buy. But hey, if you buy you some rare guns, they always gonna hold this value and go up over time. And if you think about it, this country was built on violence and entrepreneurship. But next we got crypto. You want to take your money and invest in crypto. Unless you've been living under a rock, you see how crypto has been moving the last couple years. It has its ups and downs, but crypto is not going anywhere. You feel me? So it would be a smart move to invest in crypto. Now, I really haven't talked much about guns, gold, or crypto on this channel. So if you want more videos on these three right here, because I'm telling you, these are where you want to put your money at. Once you change your mindset, start making some money from Instagram and YouTube, and then invest it in guns, gold, and crypto, you'll be set for a lifetime.